Hi guys, it's me, Rudra, and look at our vegetables. So this is our zucchini. First, this zucchini was so small. We got 2 of them from Bunnings, of course, but they were only an inch big. And now look, some of these leaves are bigger than my head. Some of them bigger than my leg. And it's actually the size of me. Look at these flowers. They're male and female. They're going pretty well. But the thing is that you're going to have to pollinate them. On top of that, we don't have to because, of course, we have a beehive near our house. So they always come and pollinate them for us. Now, these zucchinis are going very well. Look at them. So many flowers. The fruits are coming out pretty well. And the leaves, they're so vibrant. They're so healthy. Look at them. They're actually bigger than my hand. Almost bigger than my head. Now look, this is our red spinach, which was actually growing in the front yard. I bet some bats came over and dropped them. They're actually growing really well. We have 3, one over here, and one over here. Don't they look pretty big? Now look and come at our eggplants. These eggplants were only an inch long, but now look at them. The leaves are bigger than my hand. Pretty big, eh? Now look at them. They have hair on them, which means that they're growing pretty well. Isn't that right? And look, I'm telling you, they're going to give us some beautiful eggplants. Now look at these field tomatoes. Look at the tomatoes over here. Don't they look nice? Now listen, these are just the size of cherry tomatoes, aren't they? But listen, when they become big, they're going to become like this big. And they're going to be filled. Aren't they nice? Now look, come down here. I'm going to show you a secret. Right over here this is my radish. They're growing pretty well. They're pretty tall. And look at this leaf. It's going all the way up to the sky. The radish is going pretty good. And I also have another one back here. But of course, it looks exactly the same. Now let's move on to our guava. Look at it. Some of the leaves are bigger than my hands. Actually really cool. Look how big it's growing. At least 17 meters. They look so amazing. Now come here. Look at the guava fruits. Aren't they looking good? They're starting off good, aren't they? Once I had a guava that came right down falling and it went straight in my hand. I was talking and then it went plop right into my hand. Now look, this is also another guava tree we have. Well, it's basically the same. Now, if you come back over here to our beans, we have found at least 50 seeds in these. And of course, it was like this when we came. And of course, our beans are coming so fresh. So are the peas. Now, if you come here, this is the benefit of putting tomatoes or any sort of plant near a fence or wall because they have something to climb up on. And if you tie rope somewhere, of course, that gives it better grip. Now, this is our chili plant. Before, when we came here, it was all dried up. But now, we gave it lots of bone meal. Only twice per month, remember that. And we gave it lots of water. So it's hydrated and the chili leaves are growing perfectly. Now, look at our other tomatoes. Don't they look good? They're also normal tomatoes, but I'm telling you, they're gonna be nice and ripe. Now down here is our pumpkin. Look, isn't it going pretty well? It looks like a zucchini, but it's going longer. Look at the fruits. See the pumpkin? It's pretty well, aren't they? Now, look at the flowers. Aren't they amazing? We have one here, one here. Well, this one's drying up. And thanks for listening to our garden video.